Sanibona bafethu, so namhlanje ushaya ivideo Orlando Pirates lineup prediction. Siyasonga Orlando Pirates kuleli sonto ngolesithathu idlala against the Cape Town City, a club esathanda kushaya iKaizer Chiefs. Siyibonile sonke igame adidlala izolo. Yabo, Cape Town City sathanda kuthola ucoach omusha after bexoshe uEric Tinkler. Asazi lo coach because sewayicoach neOrlando Pirates, sewayicoach before iKaizer Chiefs. Nasikhumbula nonke iscore lowa coach lowa asihlambalaza ngaso. Yabo, angifuni nje ukukhuluma ngaso lesa score because uma ukhumbula kahle lesa score lesa samenza ashi Orlando Pirates live. Lesa score samenza a resign live. Yabo, so dlala naye ke lo coach lo unayo experience. Yabo, unayo experience. Ngiyibonile indlela edlala ngakhona eCape Town City zone. That was a different Cape Town City. Sesadlala nayo Cape Town City kule season idlala kuma semi-finals of EMTN8, but sadlala ke nayo iCape Town City. Cape Town City bafethu is a good side. Kuyikona ukuthi uEric Tinkler bengakwazi ukuyicoacha kahle. Yabo, bengakwazi ukuyicoacha kahle, ama results mebad. But lama games awu2 esawadlala, first leg and second leg, yabo, semi-finals eMTN8, wayenzima kakhulu. Yabo, nje first leg sabona impela ukuthi lesa scheme esiqale ngaso lapha sesingekho right, because indlela yayiplana yakhona Cape Town City yayazi ukuthi izokwenzani Orlando Pirates. Badlala impela lesa scheme lesa. So ischeme ezoshaya namhlanje, ilana prediction ezoyishaya namhlanje, kumele ngenze sure ukuthi ngifunda indlela abadlala ngakhona right now. Mase ngibheka nendlela ethina esadlala ngakhona last time we played against the Cape Town City. Right now siyashisa, we on fire. But kumele sibheke indlela edlala ngakhona iCape Town City. Yabo, Cape Town City team right, team enabo abadlali uyibona ukuthi phela yabo asazi. So goalkeeper ngizoqala ngaye namhlanje, ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu siyamazi sonke Sipho China bafethu. Sipho China goalkeeper number 1 wami use-improvile kakhulu. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngaye into eziningi. Umjidi useyakwazi ukudlala ibhola emuva kahle, asha uvalo ukuthi anga-improve mfethu uMelisa Buthelezi. Ngiyadinga ukumbona uMelisa Buthelezi ecompete nawo Sipho China, because we cannot keep on playing uSipho China because ngenzeka athola ama-injury. Yabo, maybe some-introduce uButhelezi mase sidlala iNedbank. iNedbank iyaqala kuJanuary, I think iqala mhla 25. Wangikhumbuza ama-comments, iNedbank iyaqala ngoJanuary 25, le nyanga esikuyona vele. So ngaqalisa uSipho China epalini, mase ukuthi ama-center backs wami ngaqalisa uSibisi benosisane. Sabazi sonke uSibisi benosisane, le combination le ade saqala ukudlala ngayo. Yabo, ade saqala ukudlala ngayo, so far so good. Yasebenzele combination, asikakayi sibe nama mistakes amaningi at the back. The last time we had mistakes le combination sasidlala neMagesi FC, but since le game iMagesi FC, the combination has been working very very good. So le combination ngizoyiqalisa kubo Sibisi benosisane. Mase ukuthi ku right wing yami, right wing back yami ngaqalisa lo mfana lo Monyane. The reason why ngiqalisa uMonyane is because Monyane uyakwazi ukuhamba mfethu ayiphambili. Uyakwazi ukuhamba uMonyane ayiphambili. Na uVan Rooyen uyakwazi ukuhamba ayiphambili. But ngifuna ukumrestisa kancane uVan Rooyen kule game le. Yebo, ngifuna ukumrestisa kancane uVan Rooyen, samdinga mase sidlala neCR Bezuldad. So ngaqalisa ulumfana lo uMonyane kule game le. Angisho ukuthi ngithetha kancane Cape Town City. uMonyane uyadlala bafethu, is one of those players yabo abajwayele ukuqala mengaqala uVan Rooyen. Yabo, bajwayele ukushintshisana vele. Mase ngisika left back ngiqalise uHotto. Hotto is one of the hottest players esinabo right now. Negama lakhe liyamvumela yabo. Pele babela basendiya wayisholo lo mfana lo commentator. So ngamqalisa ka left back uHotto mfethu, uyakwazi ukuhamba ephambili. Ngiyamthanda uHotto mezodlala esi left back. Yabo, uHotto is very influential mezodlala esi left back, hayi mezodlala esi left wing, because mezodlala esi left wing akayitholi le freedom ajwayele ukuba nayo yokurana. Yabo, mezodlala esi left back uyakwazi ukurana, umfuking angene ngaphakathi abe inverted wing, abaphinde akwazi futhi ukuphuma umfuking. Yabo, so into ekanjalo nje sayidinga lapha. So ngiyamdinga ekwazi ukurana mase sithola lo mjida lo. Isisethu sakule game lesizothu ukushintsha kancane. Sonke ukushintsha kancane sisakule game le. Menibone nonke uMbatha ubengeke ejimini. The last time iOrlando Pirates bejima, 2 training sessions Orlando Pirates benawo uMbatha bengekho. Those 2 training sessions kuzokutshela ukuthi mhlawumbe uMbatha unenkinga, mhlawumbe khona la into ekhona. So iswing sami ngaqalisa abaningi, ngaqalisa uMiguel team. Ngaqalisa uMiguel team as a CDM, ngiqalise nobani, ngiqalise noDlamini. Reason why ngiqalisa uMiguel team, abantu abaningi angifuni baquestion ucoach, uthi coach wayengaqali uMakehleni Makhawula. uMakehleni Makhawula wathola ama-yellow card, usenama yellow card awu4 manje. Nje senama yellow card awu4, ngiyazi akwazi ukuyidlala leya game leya, ususpended. Yabo, ususpended. Mila enze sure umfana ukuthi uba careful uma edlala. Yabo, lento ukuthola ama-yellow card angiyithandisisi because ama games akanje sabadinga abadlali bethu abaphelele. Sebadinga abadlali bethu. So ngiyazi abe khona kule game le. Ngokwami mina ngaqalisa uMiguel team. Mhlawumbe ungangitsho ngaqalisa abayiswini, ngaqalisa uMiguel team benoDlamini. Mase ukuthi unumber 10 role Orlando Pirates ngaqalisa lo mfana lo Tito Maswanganyi. Tito Maswanganyi bafethu is one of those players. It's one of those players ababa on baphinde babe off, baba on baphinde babe off. yabo. But ngamqalisa kule game le. Last game we played against iStade Abidjan, umfana wangiimpressa kakhulu. Yabo wakhombisa ukuthi usebuyile kwiform yakhe le ayijwayele ukuba kuyona. Yabo singazi ukuthi mhlawumbe izophinde yehle yini because asidingi yehle. Yabo le game esoyidlala neCape Town City kumele senze sure ukuthi siyi-top group. So ngiyamdinga umfana akhuphula amasokisi times 10 kule game yeCape Town City. Yabo simdinga nje right. Sithi ku-right wing yami mfethu ngaqayisa lo mfana lo Nkota. Ngaqayisa lo mfana lo Nkota mfethu. uNkota has been very influential for Orlando Pirates. Last game we played washaya mfana yama-assist awu-2. Umfana washaya ama-assist awu-2. That tells you ukuthi umfana uyafuna impela ukuhlala lesa scheme lesa. Singesazi phela right now usalinge yabo uney'nkinga Orlando Pirates. Leya ndawo kahle kahle yasalinge. Njengoba umfana efakiwe uNkota right now enza kahle. Yabo kumele enze sure ukuthi uyayisimenta leya ndawo ukuthi kube indawo yakhe ngempela. Because meke wehlisa amasokisi usale kuzobuya azohlala endaweni yakhe. Yabo umfana athi udla ama-ice kancane. Mase sithi ka left wing ngaqalisa uMfokeng. Ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoMfokeng siyamazi sonke. He's one of those players, one of the star players say Orlando Pirates. Star player kahle kahle say Orlando Pirates. Yabo so ngamqalisa uMfokeng lapha left wing mfethu. Mase kwi-striker sethu one and only uMabasa isniper ngaqalisa isniper phambili sawadinga ama-goals. Even though the last game we played against iCape Town City kwaqale yena uMabasa and akasinikezanga leyo nto leyo sasiyidinga. Maybe kwadala ukuthi sasathana kubuya kwi-pre-season but ke singesazi Orlando Pirates right now isihlangene. Yabo isihlangene manje indlela edlala khona. Yabo so kule game le bafethu ngidinga 3 points. We need 3 points ukuthi sihlale lapha phezulu esicongweni because iMamelodi Sundowns ishiya ngo3 points. So Messi esicongweni right now sohlala nje esicongweni. Messi wina kule game le sohlala esicongweni. I think i-goal difference iyona ezokwenza umehluko kule game esoyidlala. Yabo but ke singesazi ke siyawudinga u3 points. Wangitshela wena kuma comment ukuthi siphi ischeme ongasisetha uma usuthola ithuba njengoba siyodlala neCape Town City nje. Yabo isathana kushaya iKaizer Chiefs kanzima. Yabo so ungangitshela ama comments ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe awuva neSport lo bafethu. Yabo.